Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use this new sheet maker tool. So what this tool basically does, I guess I explain it, it has three basic functions. So the first things it does is it will create these elevation markers in a plan view. And the second thing it does is it will create an elevation view such as like this. And then the third thing it'll do after it creates however many markers and elevation views that you want, it will place them on a sheet in the shop drawings. So to use the tool, navigate to WW Drafting, in Sheets, and then click on Sheet Maker. It'll ask you to select the first wall to create a view at. Sheet marker will then pan around the building until no current walls remain. So I'm going to select this wall here, and then this options menu will pop up. First thing you do is select the elevation number. I'm just going to use 1. Enter your initials. And you have an option to reference another view in the project. You could change the scale. And then over here you can either create a new view, place all the views that you've created on a sheet, or don't create. And then there's also an option here that I'm going to use to select multiple walls, and this will create a temporary view where you can select more walls to include in your elevation. So in this case I selected these 2 walls, and that'll be my elevation 1. I'm going to hit OK. And you see in elevations there's now an 01 elevation and a marker. This wall here is actually the same as 01. So I'm going to hit reference other view here and I hit create, and as you see, like, you don't see it right now, but this will be a reference to 01. So I'm going to create a couple more just to show you the Sheets functionality. So another thing you could do here is you can hit modify selection to manually select the walls to include your elevation. I'm going to grab a couple more. I'll make maybe like 2 more. Okay, I'll just skip this one, and then this will be my last one. So I have 5 elevations. Oh, hit OK. And then when you're done, you go over here, place views on sheet, and I created 2 sheets, 201 and 202, in shop drawings. If you open it up, you can see that it placed those elevation views on 201, and it placed however many fit, and then it placed the remaining one on elevation, or on sheet 202. So that's basically how the sheet maker works, and thank you guys.